In this video, we will talk about how to fix Wi-Fi disconnects automatically Windows 10. Method 1. Reconnect Wi-Fi network. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. On the left, click on Wi-Fi. Then select on Manage Known Networks. If you see your network, click on it and select Forget. Reconnect by selecting it again and entering the password. Method 2. Install Wi-Fi drivers. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Select Uninstall Device and click on Uninstall. After uninstall, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi disconnects automatically Windows 10. See you in the next video.